Welcome to my channel. Do you know where Julian get them? Let's go, I'll show you.
We are now at Toys R Us. Julien's is excited. Yes, her Kuya is going to buy her some what? Where are you, Julian?
Toys R Us.
Toys R Us. Where is Kuya's bringing you? Toys R Us. Let's go. Come on, come on.
No, I want to hold.
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on,
I need buddy.
come on, come on. Let's go. Kuya's gonna take your leg. Come on, let's go. Dali, 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 dali. Hurry up. Julian, where are you going? Where are you going, Julian? Julian, where are you going? Where are you running? Where are you going, Julian? Where are you going? Where are you going? Come. There you go. Where are you going? Hey, wait for me. Where you going? No, this is for the party, Julian. This is not for the toy. Where's the Kuya? Come. Let's go, hurry up. Come on. Come on. Where's the toy you're looking for? Where is it that you're looking for? Do you know where you're going? Come on. Do you know where you're looking? What are you looking for? You know?
Toy Story toy.
I think it's on the other side. It's on the other side. I think this is for the newborn baby. You're not following the sign, Justin. You're not following the signs. Come here. I think we go to the other side. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Which aisle do we find the Toy Story toys?
Toy Story is going to be on the other side in the boy section, okay?
Thank you. Julian, why are you looking for some boy toy? Huh? Why are you looking for some toy for boys?
Because I like Toy Story.
Should I make myself worried now, Julian? Huh? Should Daddy get worried now?
No.
What are you looking for? Come on. There you go. A Toy Story. Alright, so there we are, Julian. There we are.
Look, this one has everybody. It has Bo Beep, the Sheeps.
Okay, what do you have there?
And look, Gabby Gabby. Can we get Gabby Gabby?
No.
No, let's. Okay, let's go dyan, let's go dyan. Which one are you looking for? This is the aisle, Julian. You're not going nowhere, but this is it. Who are you getting?
Look, it's Porky.
Porky is over there. Look, Porky.
We have Porky already.
Porky. No,
We already have a Porky.
she got Porky from the dollar store. Okay, Julian, this is the place.
We have already Buzz Lightyear.
So what are you looking for? Come on. See, look at these choices. Look. Toy Story. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this, guys. This is the Toy Story story. Look. Which one? Who? Who you wanted to get? Hmm? Hmm? Or maybe you should get this one. Look, Julian. The bottom here. Look. Woody and the horsey.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Or do you want the small one? This one has more people. It has everyone.
Yeah.
Which one you want, Julian?
Is that what you want? Oh my god. Alright,
But
that's
you already
it.
have Woody, Julian.
Okay, that's it. Julian, you reach your limit.
You already have Woody, Julian. You can only pick one toy. You
Yes.
want this one? This one is a good one. You want these two?
Look.
Yes?
Is that from Toy Story?
Yes, it's Toy Story 4.
Alright, okay, that's
But
it.
then, do you want this one? Because you already have Woody.
No, I don't think so.
No, this one goes into the
You already have Woody, Julian. You don't need another Woody. Okay?
no, he needs the horse. He's gonna go on top of the horse.
They have only the horse.
No, they don't.
They don't have the horse.
Oh look, there's a Buzz Lightyear laser gun. You want this?
How are you gonna play that?
Are you sure? Which one did you get? This one? What's their name? Do you know who they are?
Bunny and Ducky.
Bonnie and Ducky. Okay. And what else did you take? Who's that? That's Porky?
No, a buzz gun.
A buzz
A
gun.
buzz Lightyear gun.
Okay, a buzz gun. Let me see. Let me see. Show me. A buzz gun. Alright. Alright, so I guess we're done for the day. Okay? That's it, right?
Yeah.
So we
You
go
don't
home
want the
now?
small ones?
Yeah.
Which one? The small ones, you're gonna have to change it. It's either you want this one or the small ones.
Which one?
Which one you want?
Hmm?
You want Bunny and Ducky? Or you want the small toys?
Which one?
Hmm? You gotta pick one. You can't have both.
Yes, we can.
Julian, careful,
what's it?
careful, you can fall.
Hmm? Which one? That's it? We go home now. Okay?
You gotta pick, Manu. It's on sale too.
I want that and that.
You want Bunny and Ducky? You don't want the small figurines? Because with the small ones, you could play it with your little ponies. You know? Yeah. But you have a lot of plushies at home, I mean.
You have a lot.
So which one you
Hey,
want?
Dustin, look at the alien.
Oh my god, look! Aliens in Toy Story is the same thing with Incredibles. That's true.
Okay, decide na. Also, look at that alien. Up there.
Which one? This one?
But Julian, you need to decide. So do you want this one or this one? You gotta pick one.
Yeah.
You can't have both. You sure? You don't want this one to play with your ponies?
This one is better.
I think this one's better.
You don't want that one to play with your ponies?
We have more characters inside. Look. Look at that.
Which one you want? Hmm?
Or this one.
Or you
Oh, we
like
have a
Bunny
lot
and
of
Ducky?
bunnies.
Or you like Bunny and Ducky because
You
they're
ask me,
funny?
Julian, I'll
I
take
want
this
Bunny
one.
and Ducky.
Because they're funny.
Sure?
Okay,
Oh,
so
you know what? Daddy can buy this one.
let set it loose. No.
Okay, Dad, you could buy this one. I could buy those two. How about
Okay.
that?
You want this one too? Huh?
Why? Because you don't like Gabby Gabby? But Gabby Gabby is nice, Julian.
Put Gabi Gabi there.
Gabby Gabby. She's nice.
Okay.
Don't worry, Gabby Gabby is not scary. She's nice. See? Okay, she doesn't like Gabby Gabby.
Okay then, so that's it.
She doesn't want
Julian?
to have a Gabby Gabby at home. She already has two. Two Gabby Gabby.
Okay, we're done. Okay, let's go. We're done? Okay, Julian, are we done?
Those two?
Okay, let's go.
Are you sure?
Okay.
Can you move the cart, Dad, please? You're over there.
Hey, let's look at that one.
Alright, so we're gonna go to the cash now.
That's from Monsters Inc.
Okay? You done? Let's go. That was fast. That was easy. Alright. So are you happy now that Kuya bought you some toys, Julian? Hmm? Wait.
This is the My Little Pony.
Can I see?
You happy now?
Oh, am I going to? Hold on, let me look at this section first before we go. Or this one.
Hmm?
Elsa.
$100.
Hey, just look at Elsa.
So look at this guy. Look, Julian. Oh, what happened? Oh, somebody fell. Oh, look at this toys. Look at that Pikachu. Hey, Pikachu, how are you? Who are you squeezing? Who's squeezing? Who are you squeezing? Oh la la, who's that?
I don't know.
What is that?
I don't know.
Muchi Super Mega. Who that? Oh, that's King Kong. A lot of toys here, huh? Who's that?
Expensive. Because after it's not, we don't have it in the store anymore. So that's why it becomes expensive after.
No. No.
Look at these toys. What are they? Witch, Watcher, Spawn. Oh, those are for boys' toys. So we're done, right? Are you ready to go home? Huh? Alright, so we're gonna open your toy later. We're gonna blog about it. Okay.
Oh, you want the... Oh, no, you can't because you have some at home. Meaning you
What?
have to use some of the family ones.
A Toy Story ad. I can see a Toy Story chocolate ad.
Which one?
I could see a Toy Story chocolate ad, Justin.
Why, you want one?
You want one? Okay, grab someone.
You want one?
You want one?
Yes.
Hmm?
Take one. Pick a good one. You can only take one.
Just one, baby. Huh?
I can't reach
This one, Olivia, look.
Toy Story. Look at Toy Story one. I got a Toy Story.
Which one did you take, Julian? Which one did you
I
take? Show
got
me.
a Toy Story.
Alright, okay, put it there so because it's gonna melt if you keep it into your hand. Okay? Alright. What you found there? What's that? Oh. After that, you want me to bring you to? Oh, these are the
Hey, Justin.
one on sale.
It's burgers.
It's not boogers, it's slime.
Slime or burger?
It's slime, not boogers. Right, come on, we gotta go to the
Alright, come.
Looks like burger.
Mr. Pay.
Oh, my bad. Well,
Thank you.
Okay, are you done?
Okay, can you hold your Woody?
Okay, let's go. Alright. Alright, time to pay.
would you like a gift receipt?
That's okay.
Pay. Alright.
Oh, yeah, no problem. Would that be all?
Okay.
33.
Julian, are you happy?
Yeah.
You bought you some toys? Wow. Alright, so where are we going now?
At home.
Oh. You're going at home. Okay, push the cart.
Mommy,
You're not taking it?
Oh, I am.
Mommy, hold body balloons.
Nice. Okay. Give me that board. Let me go up first. Julian,
Huh?
show me shopping bag. Show me shopping bag. Show me. Wait. Stop there. Stop. Stop there. Stop. Wow. Look at that. Julian.
Look the back.
It's a bag.
It's a giraffe.
Now we're gonna go. Okay, let's
But
go.
it's raining.
Okay, come on. Let's go. Come on.
It's raining.
Raining. Time to go to the car. All right. Goodbye, Toys R Us. See you later. All right, Julian, Kuya bought you the toys already. What would you say?
Thank you.
Ano sabihin mo kay Kuya?
Yes.
Ano sabihin mo kay Kuya?
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Good job.
Now we're going to open the toys.
Stop opening the toy.
Let's boot her up. Alright, okay guys, let's boot her up.
What do you have there? Show me. Which one are you opening first?
This one.
Who is that?
The Buzz Lightyear shooting thing.
Ooh.
Yeehaw! These can't talk. Okay, now we're gonna start.
You okay?
Wow, these can't talk, so I can't push any buttons. There's no button here.
Be careful, huh? You opening up the other one too, Julian? The bunnies?
Yes,
Come on, open the bunnies too.
But I need that scissors.
Hmm? You need the scissors to open it?
Oh my god!
It's okay.
Look. We dropped this. Why did you drop? Okay, why are you high?
Come on, it's okay. Open it up. You need help, Julian?
No, thank you.
You got it?
Yes. Oh my god.
Come on, break it up. So what do you have there? Let's see.
Oh my god.
What in there? What's his name?
Ducky.
Ducky?
Quack quack.
Okay, put it there. Okay, now the other one.
Now I'm going to open butt.
Don't cut the skin, huh?
Okay.
You got it open? Yes.
No, it's still stuck. Look.
Alright.
Alright, here you go. I could have learned.
Show me your toy, show me your toy.
Oh, I'm opening it. After getting the chemicals toys, you're gonna show me. Huh?
Oh, nice. Okay. What do you have? Where does it go? Oh, you put it in your arm. Oh. That's it. You put it in your arm. I think it's the other way around. Alright, you put it in your arm like that. You put your see, you done with that, Julian? Okay, give me that. Alright. Oh, that's it. It's all done. That's it. You can open it.
Look
Right.
like bunny. Yes. I still need the circle.
Okay.
Right. Where's the other one? Why did you put that in
Okay.
Since we opened this. I've touched my phone. There you go. Oh, hi. I already
Did you cut the hair, Julian? No?
Bunny.
Alright, show it to the camera what you have. So what do you have, Julian? What do you have? Wow.
I'm going to sleep with this tonight.
Ooh. What's the name? What about you, Kuya? Show. Uh-oh.
I didn't ask that's my phone.
Show it to Julian.
I'm gonna shoot.
Okay. Okay, give me that garbage. Give me that. That's it. Alright, you open it now. Look at that. Buzz Lightyear laser.
Laser.
Look at that. So you open it and
Hey,
you...
let's just start man. I got an A-roll space wing.
Wow. Good job. Now put it on... Oh my god.
My
It's shoes. Now put it on Julian's wrist to Kuya.
Oh my god.
Mhm. It's on the floor. Right there. There's one over there too on the floor.
That's your shot. Shot two.
Alright, show me Julian. Put it in your arm. Kuya, help her to put it on her wrist.
No, I know how to put it on. How can you? There's a big piece you have to do.
Show me how to do it. Shoot on the camera.
That's
Shoot on the camera. Shoot on the camera. Shoot. Close it first, then open. Stay there. Alright, Julian, what are you gonna say?
That's it for finish. Please subscribe and like and share.
And what did you say to Kuya?
Thank you.
And say bye-bye, everybody. See you next time.